Lead capture and email marketing, integrating with email marketing platforms for lead capture and automation. Transform casual visitors into loyal customers with the power of lead capture and email marketing. ThriveCart seamlessly integrates with leading email platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit, allowing you to effortlessly capture valuable leads, craft enticing opt-in forms and landing pages to collect email addresses and build your subscriber list. Nurture relationships, trigger automated email sequences based on user actions, keeping your brand top of mind and nurturing leads towards purchase. Segment and personalize, categorize subscribers based on interests and behavior for targeted email campaigns that resonate. Boost sales, leverage powerful email marketing tools to promote your products, announce discounts, and drive conversions effortlessly. No more juggling platforms or struggling with integrations. ThriveCart's seamless connectivity puts the power of email marketing at your fingertips, allowing you to build lasting relationships with your audience and turn leads into loyal, paying customers.